Good one, Cordy. Good one, Kylie.
Good one, man. I want to divorce. Oh, okay, so he has bits which you can nail, it looks like. Oh, fuck.
You're gonna have to hammer his arm bits. Ow!
Oh, yeah, you can nail.
Yeah. You gotta get to. Oh! Jump on.
Oh, fuck.
Go, go, go.
Oh, fuck, I died. Okay. Yeah.
Nice.
No shit.
Yes.
Yes, I know I am. Okay, then he comes and whacks his arm in a minute. Oh.
Oh no, that might be me.
Did you not whack his arm in?
I didn't nail his arm in. No.
Oh. And I did not die during that part. And then he's gonna do his arm again.
I don't know if those nails are in the right place. Yep. Nice. Smack it. Smack it low. Oh, you're being pizzaed.
Oh. Oh god. Oh fuck.
Well, there's stuff to hit, I think. Oh no, we just have to live. I'm dead. They're alive. Maybe back to snapping.
Yeah, his hand's about to slap. Go.
Why you does that? Jeez, hit the thing! Oh god.
One arm down.
What? She jumped? Just get whacked. Ooh. That's flammable.
Possibly. Okay, so then... Oh, Jesus Christ. We're already dead.
The hell? Can fly swat you. Fly swat. Really? Fly swat. What are you doing?
Jumping off.
Oh no, you have to be here. Here. Oh. Oh. No, no.
Oh, you have... Yeah. Okay, I get it. How many times have I died? Okay, we're back to the
I
swap.
just dashed into it being an idiot. No.
Dodge.
I
No.
wasn't there. I didn't know we were doing it. You did, mate. Come on. You're stuck. There you go. That woke him up.
Oh. Go, go.
Oh no. Good arm there, lad. Aye. Oh god. Circular saw coming in.
Oh god, it's taking out the... Oh god. Oh god, where's it going?
Stay alive, stay alive. Ooh.
Okay, I think we're okay still. God. This area's just getting smaller.
Oh.
And of course I died again to that. Ready?
Mm-hmm. No! Cody, you little bitch. Now you're stuck.
Can it actually take much more of this surface area?
I think it's taking us down to one last little piece, isn't it? Yep. Ooh.
Kaboom!
Kaboon! That's a great time to join. No dash.
Hey!
This game is awesome, by the way. You just joined in. This game is incredibly fun. Oh,
So ready for this. It tickles. It tickles.
man's just been entered.
There you go.
Yeah, it's so dodge.
Too nice.
Not quite as dodge as the stuff you were reviewing earlier.
No! Look at me. I'm whole. I'm whole.
I highly recommend it, Liam.
From that rust and toolbox. Thank you, May. You.
Well, you say if a single person buys it on their Steam and you don't have local, you can another person can just join for free.
Yeah,
They download the invite or something.
yeah. As long as you've got one person with a copy of the game, you can get anyone else to play with you.
Yeah.
Flexible. Step on board.
Really?
Okay, you sure? Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe.
What's marketing? I know.
Relax.
Good.
Okay.
Especially because this game is about divorce.
Precise. Sebastian, sling it.
Capacity on the saw. Meow. Garage?
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose, wait! We need
Why is she on her own in a shed?
It's us!
Also, with all the bad equipment there.
Oh, we're going in the garden.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, A Way
Yeah.
Out is the top similar game on Steam to this. I haven't played that.
Way out.
We considered it, didn't we?
Which one's that?
You escape prison.
Oh yeah.
You will miss.
There's a lot of real time.
Okay,
From what I thought, there was a lot of real time events where you have to mash A, Y stuff in order.
May! Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Little one.
Come on.